Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to optimize an e-commerce site on HostingGuard. First of all, go ahead to the official website and make sure to pick that best plan that suits your budget. And if you want the best plan, please visit the link in the description box. Now, what we're going to do, in order to optimize e-commerce site, we need to choose a reliable WooCommerce hosting servers. Alright, selecting the right hosting provider is crucial for your WooCommerce store's performance. Right, use fast WooCommerce theme. Choosing an ideal WooCommerce theme is vital to optimizing your store performance. If you want to know which ideal WooCommerce that you can use, right, you can use Astra, Wostify, and Bottega, Navy, and Ocean WP, and Shopstar, and Blossom Shop, Customify, and eStore, Flash, Mesmerize, and other stuff. All right, and next, manage plugins and WooCommerce extensions. Another key aspect of WooCommerce speed optimization is managing the use of your WordPress plugins and WooCommerce extensions. Regular audits are crucial to determine which plugins are essential and which can be removed. So follow these guidelines, evaluate and prioritize, and remove unused plugins, and opt for multifunction plugin, and consider lightweight alternatives. All right, and make sure to enable the WordPress caching. Activating WordPress caching can drastically reduce your store's loading times. Caching stores a static version of your content. It allows faster access to returning visitors without the need to reload the entire website data for each visit. HostingGuard provides an advanced object caching technology for all WooCommerce hosting plans. This feature boosts WordPress and WooCommerce site. To activate HostingGuard's object caching, follow these steps. Log into your HostingGuard account and navigate to your WooCommerce based website. And in your Edge panel dashboard, just click the WordPress overview, right? And enable or make sure that your live speed is installed. If it's not, click install, right here, and then basically make sure that you toggle this one on for live speed, and the object cache make sure that you turn it on. All right, and basically you can alternatively use a WordPress caching plugin like WP Rocket, known for its user-friendly interface. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.